Video at these beautiful Weimaraners. Come on, Boo-Boo. Ah, now you're my friend. Come here. Come here, Max. 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 Come here. Come here.
They almost collided.
Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. Beautiful dogs. Oh, man.
Yep.
He's having a ball.
Jinx will look like Weston when he's older.
Jinx?
Yep.
Look like the one I like, you think?
Other one.
Oh, this. Oh, Jinx, yeah. Jinx will look like, yeah. But I think the other one will look like this guy.
Yeah, most of them do from the previous litter. I'm going to get you pictures of them.
Yeah.
From other people.
See, he is like
See, Rhonda?
He is like, man, he's just a beautiful looking dog, too.
I appreciate that.
No, he is. Take it from me, because I got a good eye for dogs. He is unreal looking. His body structure's perfect.
Max, come here, buddy.
His head, his eyes, his mouth, his jaw's good. Everything on him is good. Just perfect. A good athletic dog.
That's a good compliment, because it took me a while to get him to gain weight.
Hello.
It was hard, really was.
Don't force any weight on him. Just let it go normal, you know.
I
Cause
think my dad's dogs are
he's athletic.
a little too big.
Hi, look at these beautiful dogs.
Here, I want to show you.
Oh man, so beautiful.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry.
He's got his sweater on.
Yeah, he's warm though.
It's a little preppy sweater.
He's a prop. There you go.
All right, we got here. A couple of the puppies. I'm going to end it right here. There's my friend. This guy's gorgeous. This is one of the most beautiful Weimaraners I've seen in a long time. Come here, Bubba. Come on, come on. He's my friend now.
Here's another thing you'll get too out of a Weimaraner.
Let me see. I'm going to end it on him.
Here.
Peace out, everyone.